Hey guys, today we're cooking cedar plank salmon in the Camp Chef pizza oven. So when you're cooking with a cedar plank, you want to make sure that you soak these in water for at least an hour prior to cooking, and that will really help infuse the food with that cedar flavor. We're going to season this fish up with a Jamaican jerk seasoning, but I'm going to sweeten it with some brown sugar. Probably about 4 parts the Jamaican seasoning and then 1 part, so about 25% of the brown sugar. All right, perfect. Now for the fish. For the purposes of this recipe, I'm gonna cut the skin off just to help with that cedar flavor a little bit more. To do that, just leave it on the board here. Put your knife right against that skin. You'll be able to cut that right off. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Now we're ready to throw some seasonings on there. So you can do this with a coat of oil or melted butter. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice here. And now we'll just sprinkle this on. And just kind of pat that in. All right, that's ready for the oven, and we're just about up to temp. You wanna cook this at about 400 plus degrees, just until it's done and that salmon starts flaking. That fish is just about done. You can see the fat starting to come out, so we're gonna pull it out of the oven and give it a taste. All right, ooh, that is hot and looks so good. We're gonna top with some lemon. I just cut it in slices like this and top it. Now, that is some Jamaican jerk salmon. I'm ready to take a bite. Oh, all right, that's delicious. You gotta give it a try. Share it with us and check out more recipes like this on our pizza ovens at campchef.com.